All right, guys, so we are on our last $10 Michael's grab bag. I had a total of 4 of these. This is the 4th one, so this is the last one. So if you guys haven't seen, make sure you watch my other videos so you guys can see what I unboxed in the other boxes. And then, so this is going to be our 4th and final box. These are not Christmas, they're not Valentine's, they're just random clearance items that were from around the store. So it's filled with all different kinds of things. So it could be a multitude of different things from inside the store. So we'll go ahead and get this open, and make sure you guys, if you guys want to comment, make sure you comment and let me know what you guys thought was kind of interesting in this box. Let me know what you like. So, and what you guys think was a good score in this box. For $10 so far, these have pretty much paid out for themselves for sure. So, all right, guys, let's see what we got. All right. So it looks like we got another little luggage tag. It's a little balloon dog. And then we've got some more wooden letters. Obviously, these are always like the random ones, like Y, Z, U. And then it looks like we got some more wooden letters. We got 2 Y's. Not exactly. It looks like foam dowel, but it's like half of it. So that's kind of cool. And then, oh, it looks like we've got some t-shirts in here. Large. It says Black Girl Magic. So that's kind of cool. And then it looks like we got another one. This one's an extra large. That one was a large. This one's an extra large. So these are kind of cute. And then, oh, it looks like we got a little canvas painting kit. That's cute. My older daughter might like this. And then it looks like we got a couple tie-dye kits. And then, oh, we got some more Cricut infusible ink. We've gotten this one before, and then now we got a gray. And then we got some more wooden letters. We got a J and a Y. And then, oh, look at this. Squishmallow. Oh, cloud slime. We got some more slime. And then, oh, these are kind of nice. We got Cricut infusible ink markers. And then, oh, it's like a water brush for painting, I'm assuming. And then, I'm not exactly sure what this is. It looks like it's just some little clip. And then, oh, we got some rub-on transfer letters. And it looks like we got a little laundry bag. Whoops, it's upside down. I got a little laundry bag for you guys. Are these, I'm assuming these are, I've used this brand before, Jolie's. I've used like their little iron-on thingies. So I'm assuming this is what's in it, is this. These little banners, I'm assuming. Fusible fabric. So, not really sure. I've never used this before. It says 3 transfer sheets. But I have used this brand before, and they're actually kind of nice. I've used them for the iron-on, where you can print it off on your inkjet and iron on your shirt. I have a video for that too if you guys want. You guys should watch it. And then fusible cotton fabric sheets. It looks like you can print these out. Oh, okay. So these are kind of the same thing, but they're fusible cotton sheets. So you can print it off on your printer and then iron it on. These are actually kind of nice. I've never used this before. And then it looks like we got some glitter for dark fabric. So I'm assuming these are the little sheets here. So these are little iron-on things, and I'm assuming these are the sheets. Maybe you can cut out the designs, maybe? Yeah, I'm not sure, guys. We'll definitely have to give these a try and see what we can do with them. And then it looks like we got some more basswood. So like I said, I'm definitely going to try this out on the Cricut. I've never done that before, but we'll definitely find a project to do. Because it looks like we also got this nice big sheet too of the veneer wood. So this would be nice. And then it looks like, oh my goodness, we've got all kinds of these Cricut infusible ink markers. So these are actually kind of nice too. I mean, each one of these are $10 a piece on clearance. These Cricut ones are pretty expensive. So these are kind of nice. And then it looks like we got another one of those water paint thingies. Oh, and we did get some, it looks like pattern iron-on, some Cricut vinyl with patterns. So these are kind of nice. This is definitely will be something to make for like Easter. And then it looks like that's it, guys. We are empty. So please make sure to check out my other videos and see what I unboxed in those. And feel free, guys, to leave a comment. Let me know if there's something that you thought was cool in the box or whatever. I really like to know. But I really think for 10 bucks, I pretty much scored on these boxes. I think they're a pretty nice box. So yeah, guys, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate you guys. Bye.